Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from our last week's video is Hakeem, Vivian Plays, Bro, thank you so much for 100, and Cincy Sarai 7. Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys an updated way how to make no glue dish soap slime. So the ingredients guys to make this slime I'm going to do today is any type of dish soap. I'm using this kind. You guys will also need any type of thick body wash. I'm using a soft soap, citrus splash, and berries. You guys will also need any type of bowl or plate, but I'm just using this airtight container. And last but not least, you guys need a mixing tool. Alright, so I'm first going to get my mixing tool, my bowl or plate out, and I'm going to get adding in my thick body wash. Also, if you guys like the little stuff I put in the background, it's just some fidget toys I thought would add to the scenery because I am updating my filming setup once again. And I'm just going to get adding this into the bowl. Alright, that looks like enough. It took a little bit to get out. And now I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap. This one's a little bit on the runny side, so I'm going to try adding in some in. And I'm running low on the ingredients, so I have to go shopping once again for some slime ingredients. That looks like enough. And now I'm going to get mixing this up. See how it's getting super thick? That's very, very good. That looks just enough. And this is so thick already. Still sticky, but it looks pretty good already. So now I'm going to put my airtight container on. And wow, this scent's really strong for this. It smells good. And I'm going to walk over to my fridge, which is over here. Don't mind the messy around here. And I'm going to place it into my refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to mix it up and take it out. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours, and here it is. I can already tell there's like not that much in there, probably because I didn't have a lot of soap, but that's fine. Let's see how it turned out. Well, there we go. Ooh, it's clear, kind of foggy still. A little sticky. Oh my gosh, the color is so pretty. That's such a pretty color. It's a little bit sticky though, I can tell by the residue in my hands. But really, really nice for no glue slime. I wish I had more soap to make a bigger batch of this. This turned out great. I'm actually kind of shocked by how good of quality this is. Also, don't mind my nails. I don't have any nails on right now. I need to get those done probably today. This recipe turned out really, really awesome. Yeah, it reminds me a lot of putty for some reason. I don't know why. It's just because it has a putty texture. I don't know why I'm doing it with a fork, but this recipe was a win-win for me. I wonder if it worked for you guys as well. I just used a generic brand of dish soap, and it worked really good. I'm kind of shocked by this. Yeah, but this was a huge win-win for me for this recipe. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. This recipe turned out really, really awesome for me. I'm so shocked how good of quality this slime is. Just, it's so good. Like, look at this. Yeah, please put it in the comments down below if this recipe worked for you. I love getting back to your comments and seeing how well this recipe worked for you. If it didn't work for you, you know, I just like to see that. And yeah, and thank you so much guys for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. And yeah, remember to check out all my social medias. They'll be linked down below. And my new TikTok, KawaiiToyCollectorShop, is my new TikTok where I've been posting a lot of fidget toy videos. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and peace and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!